This is the 700mm round sound-absorbing acoustic element made from Swiss sheep's wool by Woopies. This model is designed for ceiling installation and must be hanged at least 30 centimeters from the ceiling surface to be able to perform the new sound creation task as well. Each acoustic element is being hanged by 3 points with steel cables to the ceiling, which is why we positioned the ARX satellites to stay clear from these 3 cable points. The ARX satellites are very easily mounted onto the Woopies panel with a supplied assembly set of 4 screws and 4 distancing columns to be installed into the prepared threads on the back side of the acoustic panel. These threads are pre-installed for assembly on the 4 angles that held the ARX satellite in position, some 10 centimeters above the Woopies panel. The last touch is mounting of powerful magnets on top of each of the 4 columns that will firmly hold our ARX satellite without any fear that it can ever get loose. Once the ARX is placed into position, we simply connect the supply tweeter with its cable to the back panel of the ARX satellite and position it anywhere we wish on the ARX by clicking it to the lower side of the ARX edge. The fastening is simple thanks to the magnets built into the tweeter, which click the tweeter immediately into position. It's equally easy to change the tweeter's position if you wish, by simply handling the magnetic grip again and moving the tweeter around the ARX frame. The tweeter must always be pointed upwards to the ceiling, just like the whole ARX satellite. Then, as last move, you connect the ARX satellite with the main installation cabling, usually the pre-installed speakers cable leading to the amplifier.